Hello everyone, I am Manish Thokre. Today's video topic is a tree map. So we can see tree map. The tree map in Java is used to implement map interface and uh, navigable map along with the abstract map class. The map is sorted according to the natural ordering of its key or by comparator provided at map creation time. Depending on which constructor is used, proves to be an efficient way of sorting the key values pairs. The sorting order maintained by the tree map must be consistent with equals, just like any other sorted map, irrespectively of the explicit uh, comparators. The tree map implementation is not comparison is not synchronized in the sense that if a map is accessed by multiple threads, uh, then concurrently, and at last list on one of the threads modifiers the map structurally, it must be synchronized externally. Java tree map class is red black tree based implementation. It provides an efficient means of storing key values pairs in sorted order. The the important points about Java tree map class are: Java tree map contains values based on the key. It implements the navigable navigable map interface and extend abstract map class. Java tree map contains only unique elements. Java tree map cannot have a null key, but can have multiple null values. Java tree map is non-synchronized. Then Java tree map maintains ascending order. Then following is the list of the constructor supported by the tree map class. So first one is a constructor and description tree map. This constructor construct an empty tree map that will be sorted using the natural order of its keys. Then second was a tree map comparator. This constructor construct an empty tree based map that will be sorted using the comparator. Then third one is a tree map then this constructor initialize a tree map with the entire entries from m, which will be sorted using the natural order of the keys. Then fourth one is a tree map sorted map sm. This constructor initialize a tree map with the entries from the sorted map sm, which will be sorted in the same order as sm. Then apart from the methods inherited from its parent classes, tree map defines the following methods. Then we see methods. First one is void clear, remove all mappings from the tree map. Then second one is object clone, return shallow copy of the tree map instance. Then third one is a comparator returns the comparator used to order this map or null if this map uses its keys natural order. Then fourth one is boolean contains key object key, return true if the map contains a mapping for the specified key. Five booleans contains values. Then return true if this map maps one or more keys the specified values. then set entry set returns a set view of a mapping contains in this map. That this all about a tree map. Thank you.